let's do an example in Khan Academy, graph quadratics in vertex form. I have y equals 4 times x minus 2 squared minus 6. So I already wrote it down in my paper. We're doing an example in Khan Academy in vertex form. So this is in vertex form. And we need to find the vertex, which is the easiest to find first. So let's find the vertex. The vertex would be, again, what's inside. We have a -2, but we need the opposite of this, which is a +2. So that's my x value, a +2. And my y value is this number outside, which is -6. So in Khan Academy, I can go ahead and move my vertex to +2, -6. Ooh, there it is. +2, -6. Okay. So now they asked me for another value in my parabola. They're not asking for the x-intercepts, even though I could find them, but they're just asking for any other point in the parabola. So I can move this around to any other point that will be in the parabola. So let me give you an example of what you can do. For example, the easiest number to find is if I wanted to find another value in my parabola, I can substitute anything for x, any value. The easiest one, of course, is 0. So I'm gonna find a value in my parabola when x is equal to 0. I'm finding my y value when x is equal to 0. So I'm gonna substitute for x, I'm gonna put a 0, -2 squared minus 6. So again, all I did was substitute a 0 for x. And it could be any value. I wanted it to be 0 because 0 is easy to solve. So 0 minus 2 is -2. And -2 squared is +4. So let me write down my steps. So y equals to, that would be 4. We said -2 squared minus 6. Again, all I did was 0 minus 2, that's -2. And so -2 squared, that's +4. And then I have to multiply these two. That's 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 minus 6 is 10. So that means that I have a point at 0, 10. So let's see if I can graph 0, 10. So where's my cursor? Here it is. 0, 10. Okay, it's not letting me go up to 10. So I'm gonna pick another value. So I'm gonna pick another easy value to find is 1. So let's solve it for 1. Again, all I'm doing is substituting, instead of a 0 now, I'm gonna put a 1. So y equals to 4, 1 minus 2 squared minus 6. And so 1 minus 2 is -1. And -1 squared is +1. And 1 times 4 is 4. And 4 minus 6 is -2. So when x equals to 1, y equals -2. That means that my point would be 1, -2. So again, I'm gonna go to Khan Academy and I'm gonna graph this point. I'm gonna go to 1, +1, and -2. There you go. And so I'll check my answer. There you go. Hope this was helpful.